So, do you ever have a visitor on your website and wish you can video chat them immediately or reach out to them directly while they're on your website, more than just a simple chat? We've started using this new tool called ServiceBell, which you can see right here in the bottom right hand corner, which allows you to have a live video call directly with someone on your site. So basically, when they're on your site, you'll see them right here, and you can hop right in, see what they're viewing on your site, see what they're doing, what they're interacting with, and then initiate a video call with them or even an audio call. It also allows you to help customers if you have a web app, and you want to help troubleshoot something in real time without having to set up a Zoom. It allows you to take control of their screen and during the video call and allow you to actually support them and help them in any way they need on your website. So it's a really cool tool, great for converting visitors into customers, great for e-commerce sites. If you have an e-commerce business and you see someone's looking at multiple products and you want to help them choose which product would be best for them, great solution. If you're interested in learning more, let us know, and we'd be glad to video chat you live on our website.